a day in the life of a Legma student na ang tigas na mukha gumala. So, nag-angkas ako pa Makati for Lola Amor's concert. Tas, ayan. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Anyways, I ended up in Pau Cafe kasi masarap daw yung sandwich nila. Tsaka yung Vietnamese coffee. And totoo naman. And then, I walked towards Ayala Circuit, which was a 30-minute walk. And it was nice. Super malaking venue and it wasn't really that crowded. Tapos, ayan, and so okay yung first performance and they were so good. Tapos, followed by... Alam nyo, hindi talaga ako magsasawa pa natin ng Papa Joel. As in, their energy is unmatched. Super galing. Always, always, always. And then, ayan, pakit-kit muna, kahit init na yan. Tapos, eto na, the main act of the night. Of course, Lola Amor, super galing. First time ko silang makita, like, na maayos. Kasi nakita ko na sila ng UP Fair. Pero, eto, iba yung experience. Tapos ito, ewan ko bakit super na-excite ako. Sobrang grabe, hindi ko hindi ko ma-imagine na makikita ko si Sir Dante Gulapa in a Lola Amor concert. But it seems so fitting to have him there. Grabe. Sobrang nagulat ako. I was so shocked. Pero, thumbs up. Galing. So ayun, enjoy the rest of my clips in this Lola Amor album launch, which I really enjoyed. Stream their music, sobrang galing.
Different worlds, I would have stayed if I knew you. And I gave my heart, and I gave my